acknowledge the presence of BM Eileen Buwan. Alright, thank you so much po, Madam, for coming sa ating Miss Gay Queen of Fiesta. And alright, and continuing with that then, please welcome our candidate number 1, Miss Yen Santos.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako nga po pala, nag-iisang binibining number 1, Yen Santos, na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihang hindi bastos, hindi nakakatawa, ngunit katotohanan lamang. Pag nakakita ka ng dilaw na saging, hinog yan. Pero pag nakakita ka ng saging na berde, hilaw yan. Pero pag nakakita ka ng saging na brown, nilaga yan. Huwag kang syungan.
Masaya po ba kayo? Ang hindi masaya, mamamatay ang nanay. Ang hindi pumalakpak, masusunugan ang bahay. What a glamorous, spectacular evening to each and everybody. A girl who's naked in your eyes as a fresh innocent of a 15-year-old stunner. All the way from the Papat at Bilao Festival are being celebrated in our municipality, Pagbilao, province of Quezon. My name is Marga Andrea Alonso, but tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name of the one and only. Opo, ako nga po ang babaeng pakakak, ang nag-iisa, walang kapares, binibining Andrea Villantre. Andrea Villantre na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan, hindi po bastos, hindi rin po nakakatawa, ngunit isa lamang pong katotohanan. Na mga kaibigan, mahirap pong magpakababae kundi katunay na babae. Mahirap magpakalalaki kundi katunay na lalaki. Ngunit nais ko pong italak sa kaibuturan ng inyong mga puso na mas mahirap po ang magpakatao kung hindi nyo po kami irerespeto at ituturing na tao. Bakit pa po natin sisimulan ng patimpalak na ito kung kayo po mismong manunood ay hindi kayang unawain ang aming pagkatao? Thank you.
Sa layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan ang baba ng mic. Ayan, ayos na siya. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at binabati ko pa kayo ng Happy Fiesta dito sa Barangay Binhaan, Sitio, Lagpan. At naniniwala po ako sa isang kasabihan na pagmahal mo, ipaglaban mo. At pag di mo na mahal, suntukan na kayo. Ako nga po pala si Miss Nicole Catriona Alonzo Areto. At stand by the name in your one and only Miss Aubrey Miles. That's all and thank you so much.
Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang pagkain dyan? Joke lang po. According to the 1987 of our Philippines Constitution states that no law shall be passed abridging from the freedom of the speech, the freedom of the press, or also known as my freedom of expression. So this is my means of expressing myself from north to east, from east to west, from to the highest mountain down to the deepest seas, and I'm gonna come out to Pagaku to conquer this fabulous platform. An extravagant evening to each and everyone. My name is Maria Kim Alonso Vega, a sweet 23 years old stunner na nag-iiwan po sa inyo ng isang katagang kapag binato ka ng bato, batuhin mo rin para batuhan na. At naniniwala po ako sa isang kasabihan na ang taong manlalait malamang pangit nung maliit, and that will be all, and I thank you.
The physical attribute of a person in time will change, but the goodness and kindness of the heart would last a lifetime. That's why I do always believe that one should be always careful with our tongue, because your tongue might become your words. Your words might become your action, and your action might become your personality that will bold and master destiny. Good evening, Mom, Sir. Good evening, Binhaan. This is Ashley Jeff Mercado, but this is a pageant. Please tell all to stand by the name of your one and only. Ang babaeng minsan nang nangalaga sa brilyante ng apoy sa Encantadia. Ang babaeng bumalik bilang kontesa, ang babaeng pakakak. All the way from the Papagat Bilao Festival of the Philippines, Pagbilao Quezon, and I do always believe in the saying that kapag may nakita kang puting itlog, itlog ng manok yon. Pero kapag nakakita ka ng itlog na pula, itlog na maalat yon. Pero kung nakita mo itlog na brown, don't panic, it's organic. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. Ang babaeng hindi nagpading, pero may shape pa din. Ako po, si Empress Chuk. Magaling sa tsuktsakan. I am 15 years old, fresh stunner from Talipan National High School. Ang reyna ng talakan sa buong Talipan. Ako ay mag-iiwan ng isang kasabihang hindi nakakatawa at hindi ring bastos. Pagkus ay sasabihin ko ang karapat-dapat at dapat para malaman nyo ang katotohanan. Na ang tunay na reyna, hindi pinapangalandakan kung ilang korona ang naipatong sa ulo nila. Pagkus ay mayroon kalinga sa puso at sa kaibuturan nila. Doon natin malalaman kung sino ang tunay na reyna. But this is a pageant? Pageant nga ito. Ibigay na natin sa mga hurado ang paghatol kung sino ang tunay na tatatak. Once again, I am Empress Chuk. I want to impress my talent. Thank you.
Liberty, gravity, beauty, and transformation. Or should I say LGBT? Yes, it is true that it is the gathering of all the beauty icons from all over the Philippines, battling for one title, one crown. And as the pageant begins, all of us a simple question that goes, who is the fairest of them all? And behind that question is a question on how we define true beauty, and let's all find out as we witness the metamorphosis of struggling caterpillar as it turns into a splendid Raji bead, spreading the glittering dust of optimism, love, and unending happiness. The girl in front of you is Miki Tan, but tonight, please do allow me to stand the name by the woman who captured the heart of Mr. Daniel Matsunaga. Yes, I am one of the most precious and sexiest face in Philippine television. And yes, I am your Philippine sweetheart. No other than Miss Erich Gonzalez. Erich Gonzalez, ang nag-iwan lang po ng isang katotohanan na it is better to excel in doing something than to excel in doing nothing. Dahil lagi po nating tatandaan na kahit ano man po to God be all the glory, and may the pleasures of the Lord, and I love you all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.